There it goes! Into the fence.
I gotta cut my face on that briar.
Oh, that's not good. I think I'm gonna go down a different trail.
Nah, that was alright. Usually you don't go that close to the bushes there.
Lindsay.
Alright, who's up next? Lindsay? How about you?
Alright, we expect 360s and all kinds of crazy stunts.
I don't know about that.
Someone walking down here?
Sounds like.
What the?
Is this where you started from?
Oh, it's my dad, yeah.
A little higher, actually.
Your dad going out here. Has he been out here earlier? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. Gotta build up your speed.
Oh, crap. Oh.
I figured I had to stop.
You okay?
Yes.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Otherwise I'd go right into that, right?
You okay?
Yes.
Did you hurt your hand?
Down my thing.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. There you go.
Good
Dad?
videographer there,
Lindsay,
man.
Lindsay.